be detected by radar underwater, they are thought to recognize and avoid underwater mines. So trainers, ladies, are you ready? Well then, settle! Now let's march! Ready guys? Up, 2, 3, 4, up to salute! This time, could you please join our sea lion class in a salute and a count of 3? Everybody please salute and make this one loud. People of the crowd, are you ready? Hey guys, I can hear you. Are you ready? Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, salute everybody. Thank you so much. Well, sea lions is local to search and we cover equipment from